Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and colleagues, I would like to welcome you all to the opening of the ICConcrete 2025 conference. I would like to thank each and one of you for taking the time out of your day and coming here and honoring us with your esteemed presence. We're honored to begin this important event with a welcome note from the chairman of the conference and the chairman of the board of the Iranian Concrete Society, a leading figure in the concrete engineering community. Dr. Alireza Khaloo has played a central role in the scientific and organizational development of this event. His leadership continues to shape the advancement of concrete structures in Iran. Please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Alireza Khaloo as he delivers the chairman's welcome note to open ICConcrete 2025.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As the head of the second International Conference on the Exchange of Scientific Information in the fields of concrete structures and materials, it is my great honor to welcome you and wish you both professional success at the conference and a great time in the beautiful city of Tehran. Today's conference has gathered esteemed professors, researchers, engineers, construction materials and equipment manufacturers, and students from several countries, including Italy, Switzerland, Hungary, Bahrain, Iraq, and United States. The common subject to all of us is a material with the highest consumption for any construction, including steel structures, buildings, bridges, dams, power plants, tunnels, etc., all around the world. The material is nothing but concrete, which is shapeable in a variety of forms to satisfy the design of architects as well as structural engineers. Even though, since the patenting of cement by Joseph Aspdin in 1824, which made an incredible industrial revolution, considerable theoretical and applied knowledge has been developed and gained by both researchers and engineers. There are still numerous frontiers ahead of us. Some of them include the utilization of concrete as a durable material for green construction, seismic behavior of concrete structures with static geometry, 3D printing construction approach using machine learning method for both on Earth and other planets, and the use of AI in materials and structural design of concrete. Durability, especially high fire resistivity of concrete, have placed it on the top priority list for selecting the material for a variety of constructions. The main aim of this conference is to create a space for presentation of current results of scientific and professional work in the concrete society and industry. The conference also provides a forum for creating collaborative relations among academics and professional practitioners and their workplace, aiming at long-term sharing of knowledge and discussion of highly current issues. Today, second only to water, concrete is the most consumed material, with 3 tons per year used by every person in the world. Twice as much concrete is used in construction as all other building materials combined. There are a wide variety of advanced reinforced concrete structures designed and constructed in Iran. This includes high-rise buildings and structures such as large dams, Milad Tower, power plants, petrochemical structures, bridges, tunnels, etc. Moreover, during the last decade, Iranian engineers have made considerable contributions to the export of technical and engineering knowledge, and especially the construction of sophisticated infrastructures in other countries. To mention an example, recently a sophisticated dam along with its electric power plant has been designed and constructed by Iranian consulting engineers and contractors in Sri Lanka. Persia was a cradle of science in ancient times. Persian scientists contributed to the current understanding of nature, medicine, mathematics, and philosophy. They made important contributions to algebra and chemistry. Many of today's concepts in science, including the heliocentric model of the solar system, finite speed of light, and gravity, were first proposed by Persian scientists. A few of the familiar names at the international level are Biruni, Ibn Sina, known as Avicenna in the West, Abu Bakr Razi, and Khwarazmi, known as algorithm in computer programming. Trying to revive the golden times of Persian science, Iranian scientists and engineers are taking huge steps to expand knowledge and stay at the cutting edge of technology, research, and development. Iran is an example of a country that has made considerable advances through education and training despite international sanctions in almost all aspects of research during the past decades. There are over 120 public and many branches of private universities offering BS, MS, and PhD programs. Despite limited resources and support or financial funding, the professors, researchers, and graduate students are pushing the boundaries of science, providing extraordinary and state-of-the-art findings and knowledge that develop bases in theory and provide ground for design and construction of structures. The results include innovative solutions, design recommendations, and guidelines for construction practices. Additionally, some of the outcomes have the potential to be either commercially exploited or lay the foundation for further research. Codes of the design of concrete structures, considering various loadings, especially seismic loads, are put together by researchers and professional engineers to form the frame for the design of sophisticated structures. Also, there is a national concrete code which encompasses all details of production, test, and quality control of concrete as a composite material and is being updated regularly. The imposition of sanctions and the maximum pressure of different countries aimed at disrupting the process of development, progress, and growth in Iran. However, sanctions have not limited the scientific growth and enthusiasm of researchers in Iran. As scientists and engineers, we believe these obstacles should not play any role, and cooperation among scientific institutions of all countries should prevail. Today and tomorrow, we will be benefited from presentations of distinguished and research-oriented scientists and also notable people from industry who are paving the way from theory, experiment, and design to applications on various aspects of concrete structures and materials. The highlights of conference papers include concrete ingredients, admixtures, material testing, resiliency in construction and industry, artificial intelligence, seismic repair strategies, 3D printing, prefabrication, lightweight concrete, durability, energy consideration, formwork, sustainability, seismic design and performance, fire consideration, resilient design, structural analysis and experiment, lightweight concrete, environmental assessment, finite element modeling, strength evaluation of concrete, ready-mix concrete, heavyweight concrete, risk assessment, and many other subjects. In the conference event, we have high-ranking speakers from the International Federation for Structural Concrete, FIB. As you can see, their logo is on the top, close to the Iranian Concrete Society and Iranian Concrete Institute, who will be introducing the objectives and framework of this comprehensive, scientific, and code-based society. I am also delighted to announce that Iranian Concrete Society has recently become a national member of the FIB representing Iran. Finally, last but not least, I would like to extend my utmost gratitude to the executive and scientific committees. Thank you for your hard work, especially during this past week. Your dedication helped us reach our goals. I deeply appreciate every member for showing relentless effort for this conference and making the difficult journey possible. Thank you all.